Liverpool is Liverpool. It's a giant club, and if they want to do that, obviously my players are going to accept that with the same respect that they want to do that to my players. But speaking about Liverpool and speaking about honor the champions, is my time to honor a champion. Is my time to honor Steve Gerrard. And to say that is with opponents like him that I am the manager I am. Because I learn with my players and I learn with my best opponents. I learn with my players' problems, with my players' doubts, with my players' qualities, and I learn with my best opponents with the problems they give me and the way they make me think and the way they make me analyze them and study the best way to play against them. And Steven Gerrard is for sure one of my favorite enemies, enemy with all the good feeling I can express with that word in football. And for sure in England is my dear enemy. Is for sure the one that made me a better manager. To stop him or to try to stop him is being very, very difficult.